Greetings YouTube, this is your resident Land Cruiser nut, and I'd like to welcome you all back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a product review, something I normally don't do, but I happen to find this spare tire bag to be so interesting that I decided, you know what, let me tell people about it and see what the interest is. How I got this, my wife happened to be visiting South Africa, and while there I noticed there was an overland type expo going on, and I saw this on an advertisement. So I asked her to grab one and bring it back to me, and I thought it was interesting, so I started talking with Desert Products, which is who makes this bag in South Africa, and trying to figure out how I could get them here, but there has to be enough interest moving forward. I'm going to show you this bag, what I find to be unique about it, and then drive around the area, throw some things in it, kind of put some tests into it to see if it starts to sag. A couple little obstacles, nothing major, and see if everyone likes it. The very first thing I really like about this bag, and I'll show you when I take it off and I'll go through an installation procedure, is how this covers a tire. It allows you to install the bag without having to hold it. So I thought that was a great feature, and I wish that was something we had more here in the United States. So the bag itself, it's 37 liter, has a 1.5 inch webbing here and 1 inch webbing on the sides. When you open it up here, you're going to notice that it has Velcro. There are no zippers on this bag, which I like because I hate outdoor zippers. They always get caught in something. So you have your main compartment that is right here, and then also you have a smaller compartment in the back. I'll show you when I start to put stuff down in it what exactly that can hold. In order to close it, you just kind of tuck the sides in and you just roll it, and you'll notice there's some Velcro right there, and depending on how full it is, you can just put it just like that and then close the buckle. The bag, it's not listed as waterproof, it is water resistant, so just keep that in mind. There are some products I think you can buy over the shelf to spray on it to help waterproof it. I would suggest you do that as soon as you get it. Some other things that we have here is some webbing on the front to hold some attachments. We also have some buckles on the side to let this expand, or you can cinch it in while you're driving. That's a great feature. A lot of people are going to wonder, like, what is this? Not something that we have to worry about in the States, but you can store some things on inside of it. I'm a thin guy, I can get my hand in there. But what this is actually for is for South African license plates. Of course, they're long and narrow, so if this was happened to be covering your plate, you could slide your plate in there and it allows it to be displayed. May not be much helpful for me, but what I'll probably end up doing is storing some trash bags or something like that inside here. Something that I just need easy access to, maybe even grilling accessory, tongs, whatever. This is a Ripstop Canvas. Seems to be pretty good material, pretty well made. I will tell you that when I initially got this bag, this strap was too short because I loaded it up with some things and I could barely get the buckle closed. But I initially wasn't going to tell you that, but the response that I got from Desert Products was phenomenal. I called them back, I showed them a video of the shortcomings of this buckle and what the problems I was having, because the bag was only half full. They immediately replied within 8 hours and said, hey, let me send this to the manufacturing team, I'll talk to my managers. And within 24 hours, they had me a brand new bag mailed out. What I wanted to show was how amazing the customer service was. Not only did they get me a new bag, they didn't ask for the old one back. They sent me a new one, I got it, and I just want to give a shout out to the Desert Products customer service team. That was amazing, thank you. They are going to address and make sure that no one has the problem that I had. So that lets me know that they stand by their product when they are willing to go that extra mile or kilometer, in your case, for those residents in Australia or South Africa. Again, thank you to the Desert Products team for that. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this off real quick, and then I'm going to show you how I installed it, because it does not come with installation instructions. Give you an idea of how fast it can be done and how easy it is. So let's go ahead and let me take this off real quick and we'll go to that process. All right, so we got the bag here, got it off. Again, what I like about this is this cover here that goes over the tire. So all you do is spread it out, slip it on, situate the bag how you want it, and it holds it for you. That is a great feature. So let's stop right here. I'll move you over to the back side real quick and show you how I strap it in. So we're here at the back of the vehicle, or the back of the tire I should say, and you got your straps that are here and here. On my truck, you may have a different wheel. What I like to do is kind of run these in an X shape. You could just run those down, depending on how your tire carrier is set up, run them down straight that way. But what I like to do is feed it behind the tire here. It doesn't take very long to do this. And then I can reach back here and just grab it and pull it through. Do the same way for this one. Grab this one, pull it through, and then I just drop them down there. And as we come through, there are metal clips that this slides in. So we pull it tight on that side. Come over here on this one, cinch it tight on that side, and it's on. It didn't come with these rubber bands, by the way. I put those on to cinch down some of the straps because I don't like stuff just flopping in the wind. I'm going to switch now and load it up with some firewood and a grill to show you how much things you can fit into it, and then go drive around a little bit and see if it sags and holds in place. Let's get some stuff, throw in it. When I initially go out to any kind of overland trip, I normally have 2 things of firewood and my grill. That's what we're going to put in it for now, and then I come back with trash. So open this front part up, and then you got this back pocket. I'm actually going to go ahead and stick my grill in first. So got the Scotty grill in there. Let's throw in a couple bags of firewood, see how they fit. All right, see, that fits pretty nice. Hold it up right in there. Okay, so got 2 things of firewood in there right now. Still have a little bit of space here at the top that I could throw a couple more things and some more things in the back. Go ahead and cinch it up. Get around with our strap. Pull down, and I'll just tuck this in somewhere. All right. As you can see, she holds quite a bit of stuff here. How I feel this thing stacks up against other US manufacturers so far with my initial impression is pretty good. This is amazing, and like I said, these bags come in anywhere from $50 to $250. This comes in somewhere in the middle at right around $100. Now that price, if I get it here in the United States, might be subject to change because of shipping. Now, I don't have a lot of experience with other spare tire trash bags, I have to admit that, but I have watched a lot of reviews on YouTube, and so I got an idea of kind of how they hold up. Let's hop in the truck, go drive around, and see how this bag holds up. All right, so I drove around for about 45 minutes on some washboard roads, some roads with some, deep ditches and things in it, and I'd say the bag held up pretty good and well. This is probably the heaviest it's going to be You know, you're going out 2 loads of firewood and a grill and on the inside. You'll be coming back probably a little bit lighter depending on your trash. But let's open it up, see how much it sagged a little bit, because I did take a look. Let's open it up, take a look. So I did notice that this part kind of moved about 1 inch up, but this part is still in the exact same place, so I think it actually held up pretty good. So I have to give an overall, you know, really thumbs up to Desert Products, not only for the bag, for their customer service. I think this is an excellent fit and hope I can get it to the US market at a good price for everyone. If you're in South Africa or Australia, I'd say this is a great buy already at the current price, and let me know what you think. I really appreciate all my subscribers. I believe we're at like I said, 914, marching to 1,000. So if you like the content, if you like what I'm doing, go ahead and like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.